and welcome. In this video I will present you the Casio ABC-30, released in the late 90s, early 2000s. It was, aside the Casio AQ80C, the only Ana Digi Calculator watch that Casio ever did. It was available with a black or white dial, as well as in a black or silver case with a metal band. As you can see on this case, we have this dark gray colored piece in the front that just happens to be a metallic painted piece of plastic that gives it this nice look. On the left side we have 3 buttons, and on the right side 1 button as well as the crown. The strap right here is from a W86, although if you want to use that you have to cut a bit off to fit it into the lugs, because yeah, this one has 70 millimeter diameter. Looking at the face, you can see this is the black dial. It's just your usual Ana Digi black face with some white stripes. We got the silver hands, and down below we have the display, which is a dot matrix display, and then we have the keypad right here with 16 keys. So, going through the functions, first of all we have it in the timekeeping mode right here. When we press the middle button, it switches to showing the date, so we can have the time up top and then the date right here, always visible. Very nice. And then we press the mode button right here, and we enter our first mode, which is the calculator. And yeah, this is just your usual Casio calculator. You can just do your basic functions right here, and then reset it right here. Alright. Next mode is the telememo. We have 30 capacity of 30 numbers, and here's a test entry I did. As you can see, it scrolls through it. There is the number. Alright, next mode is world time. Here we have the GMT, and again you can just scroll through the cities and it will display the times. Very useful feature. And next up we have something a bit more special. This is the currency conversion mode, and the way it works is first you set the exchange rate by holding the adjust button, and then you can just type in what the exchange rate is. Let's say it's 8. So just press the adjust button again. Oops, there we go. And now it's stored in the watch. And now if you want to use it, you can decide if you want to divide or multiply. So you just press the buttons, and as you can see there, the small indicator, it changes. So let's say we want to multiply by 8, so we can just type in the number 2 equals, and there it is. It's a really handy feature if you're abroad and want to quickly calculate the price of something. Next up, alarm. We have just one alarm, as well as the hourly chime. There are the icons, and this is how it sounds. Just your usual Casio alarm. Let's turn it off. Right, next up is the stopwatch, which is again your usual stopwatch. You have the start. Split is actually the light button for some reason. Split, reset, and stop, and reset it. And yeah, those are your modes. Sadly, it doesn't have the countdown timer. Yeah, but it has a very cool backlight. Let me see if I can show it to you. Press the button. There we go. It lights up the display as well as the analog dial, which is very cool and looks really nice. Alright, let's take a look at it on the wrist. Real quick. Oops. There it is. And yeah, it is quite tall, but it's not a big watch, so it yeah, I think it looks quite nice, although you can see that there are some gaps forming right here because of its size. But yeah, overall I think it just looks really nice, and it's yeah, one of my favorite watches to wear, just because I think it's such a special watch that combines your calculator with the Ana Digi. And just looking at it, for a digital watch, what would you need? You would just need this part right here, right? But you want the looks, you want the functions, and yeah, this is just what happens. And yeah, I think it's yeah, very cool look, and yeah, love wearing it. Alright, hope this has been useful, and yeah, see you again next time. Bye.